By using the AutoFill feature, Excel will enter a series into our worksheet. We can automatically fill in dates, time periods, and series of numbers, including numbers combined with text, such as Store 1, Store 2, and so on. The AutoFill feature works in both horizontal and vertical directions. Type January in cell A1 and do not press Enter. Place the mouse on the fill handle. It is the little black handle in the lower right corner of the active cell. Click and hold down the mouse button as we drag it to cell A14. When we reach cell A14, release the mouse button. Double-click column A's heading border to auto-fit the column. In cell B3, type AUG as an abbreviation for August. Autofill to cell B14. Notice we can begin an autofill list with any member of a linear series. Type 12/28/96 in cell C3. Place the mouse on the fill handle and drag to cell C7. In cell D3, type first quarter and drag the fill handle to cell D7. Type a 1 in cell E3 and a 2 in cell E4. Highlight both cells and drag the fill handle to cell E7. The order for operations is parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, finally addition and subtraction. This means Excel will perform any operation enclosed in parentheses first and will perform addition and subtraction operations last. Choose the Open tool on the toolbar. Double-click the Formulas file. To add the total sales for Division 1 and Division 2, click in cell C4 and type an equal sign. Then click in cell A4 and type a plus sign. Finally, click in cell B4 and press Enter. Now click in cell E4. To subtract the expenses from the sales, we first type an equal sign. Then click in cell C4 and type a minus sign. Click in cell D4 and click the green check on the formula bar. To figure the percent of change, first click in the cell where we want the answer to appear. Click in cell H4. Type an equal sign to begin our formula and click in cell G4. Type a / to divide. Then click in cell F4 and press Enter. Click Close to close the workbook. Choose Yes to save the changes.